Bonjour mes amis, comment ça va? Welcome back to Scion. Exciting to see you. Glad to welcome you back next week into the classroom. Hope you've had a great summer. Un bel été. Moi, j'ai passé un très bel été. It's nice to just have some time outside and just take walks with the dog, le chien, mon chien, etc. So I'm really excited to welcome you all back, and this just giving you a little overview for la semaine prochaine, le 17 août, la semaine du 17 août. Basically, we're just going to be spending time getting reacquainted and re-immersing ourselves a little bit into le français. So that's about it, and just check on campus for all the updates, and I look forward to seeing you all. And so I will say a great big à bientôt. Au revoir mes amis.